we understand, I think anyone who's paying attention, we understand that Imran Khan has been denied access to lawyers, he's been denied access to his family, including his two sons, so my nephews, he's been denied access even to doctors, and we understand that he's spent much of his time in prison in solitary confinement, and his health is deteriorating rapidly. So I asked the noble lady whether or not she agrees that this is now the time for us to reconsider our aid contributions to Pakistan. Pakistan's often at the top of the list in terms of recipients of UK aid, until that country's government demonstrates a clear, unambiguous commitment to the Charter, the Commonwealth Charter that it signed up to, which commits it to an independent judiciary and to the rule of law.
It's important, and we maintain this position for all of those held in prison, that people do get access to healthcare and to their families, and we think we've made that case, and we will continue to make that case because that is consistent with the position of this government and the previous government as well, and we'll continue to do that. He asks about our development spending. He will know, obviously, that we made a decision around this time last year to cut our development spending by around 40%, and we will be making further announcements about the detail of that and what will be happening in which countries and what it will be spent on very, very shortly.